So I just got back from Target and I got a little carried away. This is the first time ever I've gotten carried away at Target, but I wanted to show you guys everything. So I'm just gonna do an impromptu Target haul. So I am gonna start off with 3 cushions that I got. I saw these ones, they were on sale. I think they're 10% off. Throw pillows. Everything that I can find links to, I'll make sure to link down below. And then I got a rectangular one too. I'm gonna put it on my couch in the media room and see how they look over there. And to be honest with you, I'm not really into a lot of holiday decor other than Christmas trees, but I thought that this pillow was really cute. It just says fa la 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 on it, which I thought was really cute, and it has a linen backing. Let me put these away and then I'll show you the rest. Got some household stuff. I got some sponges, really needed these. I got an off-brand one from H-E-B and they're literally leaking light blue color, which is kind of nasty. I don't really know what's in them chemical wise, so I'm like, I'm not gonna wash my dishes with that anymore. And then I got these, oh, they just fell out of the packaging, but these Scour Daddy, Scrub Daddy sponges. So these are cool because they are soft, and one side is soft and then one side is for scrubbing. And I really like these because my family friend had them in her home when I went for Thanksgiving, and I used them and they're really nice. They have little smiley faces on them, which is cute. And they have like a little loopy thing, so if you want to hang it in your sink to dry, you can do so. So it comes in a pack of 3. And I got this Terry's chocolate. I always get this chocolate. It is the chocolate orange original. They only have this around the holiday time, so I always like to get these. I'm gonna try to not eat a lot of this because I am trying really hard to be healthy and starting my New Year's resolutions sooner than January. Still wanted to pick up one of these. I'm gonna savor this. I always use these scrubbing bubbles gels in my toilet bowls, and I really love the way they smell. This is the rain shower scent. I love these. And then I got these 2 Christmas cards, some for friends and then some for you guys too, because when I send you guys your giveaways, I want to add these in there, a little personal touch. Got some gift wrapping tissue paper again for you guys when I send you your giveaways to make it nice and festive. And then my best friend has a baby boy and I couldn't resist getting this for him. It's so cute. It's got like a little fuzzy jacket, and then the bear, there's a little bear on the zipper, there's a bear on the onesie, and it comes with matching PJs. Or not PJs, leggings, I guess. And then another friend has a girl, so I got her this little deer, a fuzzy vest, and cheetah print leggings. So cute. Scrubbing bubbles, rain shower scent. I really love this too. Smells really good in my bathroom. And I got a the mailman is here. So Humphrey is naturally very mad. Humphrey, stop it. He doesn't like it when anybody comes to his house without his permission. Anyways. Alright, as I was saying, especially around this time of the year, my hands just get really dry, so I like to have these to wash my dishes. That is my Target haul. Actually, let me show you. I think I know what this is. Humphrey was barking at the mailman, so yay! It is what I was thinking it was. So I got some more coffee table books from Amazon because they were a really good price. Again, we'll leave links to everything that I am mentioning down below if I can find them online for you guys. This is, oh, they're 2 books. One of them, is Pop Art, and the other is the Liechtenstein. And I like them because they are stackable and they are the same dimensions. That's what I was trying to say. 2 new coffee table books. I'm gonna put these in my media room once I start decorating it. Hopefully that CB2 furniture is gonna come in really soon. This is where I've added the pillow. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or not? Could be cute, makes it more homey, a little less formal. Walking into my media room now, ignore that table, it's gonna go away soon. But this is where I was marking with blue tape. This is just paint tape, so it doesn't leave a lot of glue behind. I marked kind of the dimensions. Obviously this is not straight. I can just tell in the camera that the lines are not straight. But this is the general area of where the ottoman will go. It's a leather tufted ottoman that I got from CB2, and I think it'll look really pretty against the white, black, grays. It's a leather ottoman and a medium brown. And then I also got cushions from CB2 to go along this entire sectional to make this room very cozy and comfy. That's my plan for the whole house, is to keep it formal yet cozy and inviting as well. I was actually going to look into getting a carpenter to come in to put shelves, because I actually, when I was building this home, we had 2 sets of shelves and I basically decided I didn't want them. And I got them removed, and now I'm like, I think they would have actually looked pretty good over here. So I'm looking to get a carpenter to come in and install some shelves. I also am thinking about perhaps getting these cabinets stripped and making them a natural color. I'm not sure if that is feasible, but I want to talk to somebody about it. Also, this lamp is in the corner over here right now against the sectional, but it's going to be moved upstairs. I got this amazing easel with a lamp or a light on it, and I got an amazing photograph to go onto the easel, so it'll be like a little art display right here in the corner. I can't wait to show you guys. It's going to look amazing. Hopefully the furniture will start coming in very soon. I do kind of like them, to be honest with you, but these ones particularly look a little worn. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but they seem to be a little bit dirty, and I don't know if I want to keep these particular ones. I don't know who's been touching them or whatever, so I might actually return these and then reorder them off of Target.com, hoping that I can get a fresh, clean pair. But what do you guys think? Keep or return? Hi Humphrey, how are you doing this morning? He's Mama's little shadow, let me tell you. As usual, following me around in a nervous manner.